Welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and this week I'm going to talk about the cool Panasonic Toughbook FZ G2 tablet, laptop. What is it? I don't know. It looks like a laptop, but take a look at this. I popped this out and I have a G2 tablet. This is the upgrade from the FZ G1 tablet that Panasonic had for a while. And the one nice upgrade is they added this premium keyboard that's backlit, trackpad and all, to it so that you have a full-size keyboard while you're using this like a laptop. And then you can pop it off to use it like a tablet. Doesn't this remind you of something like the CF20 or the CF33? Well, the good news is the FZ G2 uses the same docks as the CF20, the Panasonic Toughbook CF20. So it is backwards compatible to that dock, as well as the tablet part. This piece right here will mount in the FZ G1 tablet dock that you see in cars and whatnot. So it is backwards compatible, which is that's really good news. Another nice feature is how they have this plastic here that's giving it some extra support so that when you move it back and forth, there's no play. And they have the cutouts for your A1, A2 programmable buttons, as well as your windows, your volume for your audio, and your hard drive light, as well as the power button right here, which is great. And then there's an A3 programmable button right here on the side. Very cool. Another nice feature that I found on this tablet was the webcam cover. It's a sliding cover that slides right over the webcam just like that, which is great. Now, one surprising feature on this, and I'm going to pop it out again, is this port cover right here which is very robust. I mean, I am very impressed with the port covers they've put on this FZ G2. It's unreal. And underneath here, of course, is USB-C, a USB 3.0 port, and a NIC port. So you get the NIC port on this tablet. If you look on the other side, there's nothing. And then up here on the back this is probably the coolest part of this whole tablet, is take a look at this stylus. They have the mount right here on the back so that you don't have to, there's no built-in slider, nothing like that. It just snaps right here so that you always have access to this stylus. In addition, the battery, I'm going to pop the battery out for you guys so you can take a look at it. But the battery pops out just like this. It looks like a laptop battery to me. It doesn't look like a standard tablet battery. The tablet itself weighs 2.9 pounds. Now, if you put the keyboard on it, it bumps it up to 4.9 pounds. But if you look here, they've incorporated the xPAK technology. So like the FZ55 and the FZ40, you're getting this easy upgradable unit. So you can add things like, which I found really cool, was a thermal camera. So not only do you get your standard back camera that's 8 megapixel and your front webcam right here, but you can add a thermal camera as well. And extra USB ports or NIC ports. There's a number of upgrades you can do on this thing in the xPAK upgrade kit. And guess what? You don't have to send it in. It's just take the screws out, pop the cover off, and it's modular. You just plug it in and put the screws back. Boom, you're in business. You're ready to go. So I did find that really cool on this design. The keyboard, again, you know me and keyboards. I love a good keyboard. This is a nice bouncy keyboard. It's a little smaller than a standard full-size laptop keyboard, but still easily typed on. And here's another feature. I keep going. I know this is a long video for you guys, but another nice feature on this is the latch. I love the way the latch slides in and has that groove that holds it tight, so now it won't open. It's not clunky, it's easy to do, and it holds that laptop. You can really hear it if you listen. Listen real close. You can hear it snap in so that this tablet isn't opening up. Another nice feature is because the tablet is kind of the heavier part of this setup, when you have it all the way back, there's no tilt. Now, the way they do that is with the handle. And what they did with the handle is they made it a little extra longer than your standard Toughbook handle, and they added these two rubber grommets, or I don't know what you'd call them, but these rubber feet right here, I guess you'd say, so that whenever you lift this out and you put it down, you've got a nice solid foundation so that when you open this, you can touch screen, type, it's not going to tip over on you. So I could go on and on. I'm going to let you guys go for this week. Don't forget to leave me comments on what you think about this tablet. I personally really love it. Leave your comments, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.